Hey guys, this is Michael with Yacht Armor. We're here in New Orleans, Louisiana with Nano-Tech detailing. Come check it out. So behind me, we got this beautiful, gorgeous, absolutely stunning 33 Valhalla. We're doing outboard kits, screen protectors, interior cockpit package, pretty much everything that you can do on this boat, we're doing it. This boat fishes hard. I mean, it's going out to the oil rigs, so it's gonna protect around the bumps and bruises and just a lot of the beating that you put on your boat everyday use. If you're looking for this type of protection on your boat, find us at getyachtarmor.com, hit the Installer Locator, find somebody that's near you. If you're in the local area in New Orleans, Louisiana, check out Nano-Tech Detailing. They'll get you right.